Hey Ragnar the cat, do you know what yesterday was?
What happened yesterday, Rishbaka Fanatic 2K8?
Yesterday was the first day of the event, the 2024 Summer Olympics, so we are going to Paris, France to watch the rest of the events that are happening today.
Oh boy, I'm so excited for the 2024 Summer Olympics in Paris, France.
Yeah, I agree with you. Anyways, we should pack our suitcases because we'll be flying from Plotagon, UK airport to Paris, France airport.
Alright, Rishbaka Fanatic 2K8. Let's start packing our suitcases and then set off to Plotagon, UK airport.
Later, after all of us packed our suitcases.
Alright, Rishbaka Fanatic 2K8. I've packed my suitcase.
Wow, Ragnar the cat. Good job for packing your suitcase. Even we also packed our suitcases. So, now that we got everything ready, let's go into the car and head straight to the airport. When we arrived at Plotagon, UK airport.
Hello, and welcome to Plotagon, UK airport. How may I help you guys?
I would like to buy 7 boarding passes to fly from Plotagon, UK airport to Paris, France airport.
Sure, here are your boarding passes.
Thank you so much for the boarding passes, madam.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Alright everyone, while we wait for our flight to be announced, is everybody excited for the 2024 Summer Olympics?
Yes, Rishbaka Fanatic 2K8. I am excited for the 2024 Summer Olympics.
Me too.
Me 3.
Me 4.
Me 5.
Me 6. We are so excited for our team to win.
Yes guys, I really appreciate it.
Attention everyone. Whoever is on the next flight from Plotagon, UK airport to Paris, France airport, please board the plane immediately.
Oh look everyone, it's time to board our flight.
Wow, that was quick. Now what are we waiting for? Let's board the plane and fly to Paris, France airport together.
Later, after all of us boarded the plane and fastened our seatbelts, the plane started flying from Plotagon, UK airport to Paris, France airport. Then after 1 hour and 10 minutes, the plane has arrived in Paris, France airport. Then all of us departed the plane to pick up our luggage and we all left Paris, France airport. Let's see what happens next. Alright everyone, we've now arrived at the stadium in Paris, France, so that we're ready to watch the rest of the events. And Ragnar the cat, that was very nice of you for being on your best behavior while flying to Paris, France for the 2024 Summer Olympics.
I agree with Rishbaka Fanatic 2K8.
Me 2.
Me 3.
Me 4.
Me 5. And this means you're ungrounded, so you can watch the 2024 Summer Olympics with us.
Thank you so much guys, you all are the best friends ever. Now what are we waiting for? Let's watch the rest of the events that are happening in the 2024 Summer Olympics together.